Student, as I have already started exercise 18A, the chapter lines and angles, and we have done application 5. Today I am telling you from question number 6. In the question 6 and 7, L, M, and N are straight line. Find the measure of each angle shown without using a protractor. So see this question. This angle is 122 degree given, and this is A, B, C. You have to calculate this. See student, this B is opposite to this angle, so B is 122 degree vertically opposite angles. Now A and B forming linear pair, so A plus 122 is 120 is 180 by linear pair. It is compulsory to write in the bracket. So A is 180 minus 122, that is 58 degree. Now A and C, again they are opposite angles, so they are equal by vertically opposite. So C is equals to A is equals to 58 degree vertically opposite angles. So this is our answer. See this figure, again we have to calculate A, B, C, D. C students, D. This D is equal to this 52 degree, they are forming X. So D is 52 vertically opposite angle. Now this complete this one part A, or you can say either you can take this or you can take this C plus D plus 50 degree. See this one part, it is forming 180 degree. It is 52, we have calculated, it is 50. So C plus 52 degree plus 50, 180 degree by straight angle. So C plus 192 degree is 180. So C is 180 minus 192, that is 78 degree. C 78, C and B are equal. So B will also 78 vertically opposite angle. This is 78 degree. Now what about A? A and 50 are vertically opposite. So is 50 degree vertically opposite angles. Question 8. Find the angles in each 8A part. The angles are complementary and smaller is 40 less than the larger. So let the larger angle X, so smaller be X minus 40. Sum of complementary angle is 90 degrees. So add both X plus X minus 40, 90. So calculate X plus X 2X, 40 will go to another side and 90 plus 40, 130. So X is 132 upon 265 and X minus 40 will be 65 minus 40, 25 degrees. So our answer is 65 and 25. B part, angles are complementary and larger is 4 times the smaller. Let the smaller angle X, larger is 4X. So again X plus 4X 90, calculate X. So whenever you will calculate X is 18 degree, 4X will be 72 degree. C, the angles are supplementary and the smaller is 1/2 of the larger. So larger X, smaller will be X upon 2. Here the supplementary angle given. Sum of supplementary angle is 180. So X plus X upon 2 is 180. Take the LCM. 2X plus X upon 2 180. 3X upon 2 180. 2 will be cross multiply. 180 into 2 and 3 will be divided. X 120. X upon 2 half. X upon 2 is 60 degrees. So answer is 120 and 60. Your D part, it is in your homework. CE part, the angles are supplementary, larger is 20 degree less than 3 times the smaller. If smaller is X, 3 times 3X and minus 20. So smaller is X, larger angle 3 times and less than 20, 3X minus 20. Sum of supplementary angle is 180. Again add both X plus 3X minus 20 and calculate X. X 50 degree and larger angle will be 3X minus 20. So X is 50, calculate 3X minus 20, put the value of X, it is 130 degree. F part is in homework. In this you will take smaller is 28 degree less than the larger. Take larger X and smaller X minus 28. Add both equal to 140 degree. See these. Next question 9. Calculate the value of X. See, it is straight line. It is forming linear pair. So 2x plus 3x, a part 2x plus 3x 180 degree bilinear, 5x 180, x is 180 upon 5, 36 degrees your answer. Second part, it is forming right angle. Right angle means 90 degree. So 4x plus 5x 90, 9x 90, x is 90 upon 9, 10. Do the C part, it is in homework, it is angle around a pound, add all, it will be equal to 360. This, add all three parts, it is a straight angle. 3x minus 5 plus x plus 20 plus x 65 is 180 by straight angle. 3x plus x 4x minus 5 plus 20 plus 65 80 degree. 4x 180 minus 80 100, x 100 upon 4 25. E part, again it is a complete angle, so x plus 2x plus 2x plus 60 is 360 degree. See, it is 360. Complete angle, 5x plus 60 360, 5x 360 minus 60 300. So x will be 300 upon 5, 60 degrees your answer. Question 10. In the given figure, line this AB and CD intersect at O, angle BOC 36, find x, y, z. Student, again this question is same. Z is equal to 36 vertically opposite, Z and Y forming linear pair, so Y plus 36 180, Y 180 minus 36 144. Again Z and Y are vertically opposite, so Z also 144 vertically opposite angles. See this next question 11. In the given figure, EQ and RS are two lines intersecting each other at point O. If angle ROT is 90 degree, find the value of x, y, z. See, this is our figure. See this, 2x plus 90 plus x. See, it is forming linear pair. So 2x plus 90 plus x 180 by straight angle. 3x is 90, x is 90 upon 3, 30 degree. Now z is equal to 90 plus x. See, they are forming vertically opposite. Z is 90 plus x vertically opposite. So z is 90 plus 30, 120. Now y and 2x, they are vertically opposite angles. So put the value of x is 30, 20, 30, 60 degree answer. Question 12. In the given figure, AOC plus BO AOC and this BOD means opposite angles is 266. Find all the four angles. See this 13. Student, I have written in this way 1, 2, 3, 4. It means, so this is question 12. I have written in this way 1, 2, 3, 4. It is given in your book angle 1 plus angle 2, the sum of these two angles 266 degree given. And also angle 1, angle 2 vertically opposite. So you can write in place of 2 right angle 1 from first. Angle 1 266, 2 angle 1 266, angle 1 266 upon 2 130 degree. Now angle 2 is also 133 degree vertically opposite. See these two angles forming linear pair. So angle 133 plus angle 3 180 by linear pair. Angle 3 180 minus 133 47. And angle 3 and 4 again forming vertically opposite. So angle 4 47 by vertically opposite angles. 13th, in the given figure, this AOC, BOC and BOD. This is 338. Find all the four angles. To make it easy, I have written A 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is given 1 plus 2 plus 3, 338 given. As we know, the sum of all the four angles, complete angle is 360. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 360 complete angle. 1 plus 2 plus 3. In place of these 3, we can write 338 plus angle 4 360 by first. So angle 4 22 degree, 360 minus 38. Angle 4 and angle 2 are equal. Angle 2 is 22 degree, vertically opposite. Angle 4 and angle 1 forming linear pair. So angle 1 plus 22 180. Angle 1 is 180 minus 22 158. Angle 3 and 1 are forming vertically opposite. So angle 3 158 vertically opposite angles. Now MCQs. Angle 3 135, find the value of 1 and 4. Again same, by linear pair we can calculate. Angle 3 135, angle 1 plus 135 forming linear pair equal to 180. So angle 1 180 minus 135 45. See, 1 and 4 are vertically opposite. So angle 4 is 45, vertically opposite. Now we have to calculate the sum of angle 1 plus angle 4. So angle 1 plus angle 4, 45 plus 45, 90 degree. So our this option is right, A. 15. Angle A and B are complementary. Angle A is V is this, which is a true statement. So first of all we will calculate angle B. Since they are complementary, their sum will be 90 degree. Angle A and B are complementary. So angle A plus B is 90. Write both the angle. 7 plus 23 30. 4 plus 4x plus x 5x. 5x is 90 minus 30 60. So x is 60 upon 5 12. So this is angle A. 7 plus 4x, put the value of x, calculated 55. Angle B, x plus 23. So put the value of x here. 12 plus 23, 35. C. Now statement. Angle A is acute. It is correct statement. Angle A is acute. Yes, it is correct statement. Angle A is acute. We can check all. Angle A and B are 45. No. Angle A is obtuse. No. Angle B is greater than A. No. Angle B is smaller than A. So only angle A is acute. This answer A is right. 16. This line AD bisects angle CAB. Bisect means these two angles will be equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. AD bisects angle CAD. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. If angle CAD, this one angle, and angle DAB, this angle, what is the value of x? Angle 1 is angle 2. Put the value of angle 1. Put the value of angle 2. Solve value of 8x minus x, 20 minus x. 7x 14. X is 14 upon 7. That is 2 degree. So our correct option is 2 degree. So student, this exercise is completed. Complete your work in your classroom notebook and homework notebook also. So okay student, God bless you all. Bye bye.